Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus in a Billet Silver exterior. It rides on 17-inch Yokohama Avid tires with amazing tread. Here we have a 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have your power mirrors, power locks, and your power windows. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating with suede in the middle. If you're on the driver's side, you get power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, and on the left, you have your in-dash menu board buttons, your Bluetooth, and your voice recognition. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. And as we move into the odometer reading, we have 21,496 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with the Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. And when we go to navigation, you get a detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down here we have our climate control system, which is a tri-zone system. So you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section. Moving to the second row, we got 2 captain chairs, which can be used for Sto N Go. As we move to the back, there's 3 more additional seats. And for entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system. And once you're done in the back, there's a button that activates the power sliding door. In the trunk area, there's plenty of space with storage along the side. If you need to bring the seats down, it is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. Once you're done in the back, we have another button that activates the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. If you like what you see and like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler. Get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.